In Jamaica, the way people respond to someone having a seizure, or as it's popularly called, a fit, can be as unique as the island itself. While modern medicine offers clear guidelines on how to handle such emergencies, many Jamaicans still turn to traditional, time-honored remedies passed down through generations. Recently, I witnessed a scene that reminded me these old customs are still alive and well. A man selling bag juice on the street suddenly collapsed near a taxi stand. From a distance, I saw him stiffen out, his body seemingly taken over by a fit. One of the nearby taxi drivers rushed to the man, removed the man's shoe, and placed it to the man's nose. Yes, his shoe. Every time me see it me halfy wonder where that even come from, like who discover say foot scent could revive somebody out a seizure. Me not think it works scientifically, me don't think no doctor recommend toe fumigation therapy but somehow it become part of the tradition. Maybe the idea is the strong scent might shock the brain back to normal, but me feel it more symbolic than effective. Still, me halfy rate how people try help even if it's bush science. Within minutes, the man stood up, brushed himself off like nothing had happened, grabbed his bag juice, and resumed shouting, "Bag juice. Bag juice," as if he hadn't just collapsed moments before. Now, to clear things up, not every fit is epilepsy. A seizure, or fit, is a sudden electrical disturbance in the brain that can cause shaking, stiffening, or loss of awareness. Epilepsy is a medical condition where a person has recurrent, unprovoked seizures. So while someone with epilepsy may have many seizures, a person can have a one-off fit for other reasons, like stress, low blood sugar, fever, or even heat exhaustion.